Boom. Great bed.
Farewell to our great bed.
Look over that skin, got you glistening. Hourglass shape, girl, you thickening. Walking with that swig, girl, I'm twisting. See that bam from a distance. Your whole mood kills stress. When I'm with you, I feel blessed. Yeah, I'm easy to lose my darling. Original, I'd rather you so.
Only the survivors and soldier survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with my list in the white.
Hold on.
I don't want to break it.
Okay, there's screws up here, I
Oh,
believe.
yeah, there is.
You can tell they stripped this a little bit.
Yeah, let me see it.
Yeah, good. Keep going. Okay.
Be careful because there's still these wires, so we don't want to.
And that air conditioning. Always that. Damn, nice. All right, well, everything just fell out. This rockwood piece is So, look, a ladybug.
A bunch of them.
A bunch, just two. Oh, ew.
California day. Baila, mama, you are blessed this way. I know the world is burning, but you are my one concern. Yeah. Pray for this life, me I thankful that nothing can separate us.
It's huge. It's the courthouse thing, though. You keep backing up, we're gonna take you there, put you in jail.
I'm like, why are people being so nice to me? Because you have an Ohio plate. Is the Jackery charged?
Jackery is 100% charged. It's right there.
And I looked at him and he was like, oh, it's fine. It's so fun. It really is so true, though, that New Yorkers judge you by your license plate.
Mean people. Those mean New
They're
Yorkers.
just hard.
Freaking nasty heads. We used to do a sandwich shop right around here that I really liked.
Sailor
It's
shop?
right there. It's called Zudo. No, it's not. Yeah, it's called Zudo. No, it's the one on the corner. It's called Puffy's Tavern. Tribeca, New York. Yeah, Bubby's. The infamous Bubby's.
Oops, thank you. He's like, come on, you Ohio.
Come on, you frickin' turds.
I've been there for 2 days. All up with a minute, yeah. Trying to get to you, babe. Oh, yeah. Rose petals on my dashboard. I know this in a crash car. Oh, I drive myself right in the yard, right in the yard, right in the yard. 100 on the dashboard. I know this in a crash car. Oh, I drive myself right in the yard, right in the yard.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I think it hit a bridge that it wasn't supposed to.
For sure that's what happened. Yeah, show me a picture because I can't see.
What do you want me to do?
Show me a picture of Nico.
Oh.
Jersey Shore. Oh yeah. Wow. It's nothing like the Jersey Shore.
What's the matter, Bubba? Ew. Her butt smells like poop.
She's got poop hanging out of her butt.
Alright, guys. Your poop. Get her poop butt out of here. Or clean her poop butt because it stinks. Ew. You gotta dry it. You gotta wet it. I think it's dry, the poop. Can't believe she's letting you clean her butt.
Ew. Oh shit, she's letting me clean her butt.
She's literally letting you clean her butt.